Until you are dying. You are meeting the gods. Then you take it out. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Harry and I welcome you. Please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe and leave a comment. To my returning subscribers, my day ones, my besties, thank you for tuning in on yet another video. I'm so excited to see you back here. Please do not forget to leave a comment and also like this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms at _Harry. That's on per. I know that's right. Yeah. So today, guys, I'm back with another vlog. We are having a spend day with me. Do not mind this, guys. It's a pimple patch because I have a pimple here, so I put a pimple patch. And I'm feeling a bit under the weather, so I'm drinking hot water and lemon. So I'm only introducing this vlog now after shooting everything, so please enjoy this vlog. I was taking you guys along. I was installing this here, I was talking to you guys. I was also giving shout outs to my girl who did the most for this channel. Guys, stay tuned to see who I'm talking about and what she did for this channel. Oh my god, let's see what the day looked like today.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need.
Please tell me, why did I go to Clicks to buy one thing and I came back spending 350? I went to Clicks, guys. No, shopong, guys. I use my own plastics. I go with my own plastics because plastics are expensive. So I took this white plastic that I have so many plastics in the house. Even when I go do groceries, I have Pick and Pay plastics in here, so I just take them unless if I forgot a plastic. So yeah, so I went to Clicks. So there's a Clicks haul. So I initially went to buy this thing, the Cuticura Pimple Rescue Moisturizing Day Cream. I saw it on TikTok that a lot of people have a berekela for the pimples. You guys can see it's on the pimple. It will give me a pimple patch here. It looks uncomfortable, but it's not. So yeah, I want to buy this moisturizing day cream. I will give you guys a brief updating like skin sharp, and then before ovulation, like no get ovulationing, like yo get the pimple. And also get so give flu, guys. I'm not okay. I have flu. So but it's small, right? So it's 100 ml. It's 100 ml, but at least it's small. We'll see how it will like how it will work. And it was just 77.95, so 78 rand. So it's not that bad. So let me experiment it, and then I will come back with the review after for you guys. So Lina's I reka pay. That's how I even like yes. And then I bought this hair rescue from Clicks brand. It restores and cares. That's for a week, guys. I use this for the week. It conditions and strengthens dry, damaged hair while styling. So I tell her how to straighten actually today. And then what made me go to the plaza again today? It is this. I wanted a glamour spray because I ran out of my glamour spray, and I want to install my bob weave today. So I'm gonna install with you guys here. I bought it got Clicks, guys. It was 100 rands. Yeah, 99 or 89, 99 kita shape. Then kisses in is there 150 mils. And then I bought this got to be for brows, glue for brows and edges. So I get later I don't have brows, so usually and then I'll be. So now I bought this. It's currently on sale. It's currently on 20%, so from 194 to 160, I think. Yeah, or 198 to 160, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna use it for gel for my brows. So I bought a gift. I also bought Vicks 2-in-1 relief. It's a cough syrup because he's taking a flu. It's flu sore throat, so no, but it's not a big deal. And it's on sale for today because today is Thursday, and I go shoot guys. I must be in something like no. So something for the weekend I cannot be in bed. The weekend never. So this one is currently on sale. But then either or. I bought these 2 doves. They were also on sale. 2 for I think for 40 something rands. Let me see. Anyways, I bought these. On its own for as a deodorant. No, and then after because so yeah, that's all that I got from Clicks. I also went to KFC. So let me eat, and then I'm gonna do my lashes and my hair, and then I think we are done for the day. We'll see.
Oh, young on the one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Hit me a stick if they curve. Young on the one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back, grab a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn.
So right now, guys, it is time for me to install my hair. This weekend we are installing this bob weave that I had on my graduation. I've only worn this weave twice, but yeah, twice I think. But the time I was wearing it, I was not doing anything. I was not even vlogging. So I've been wearing long weaves. So I'm like, let me put this on this weekend. And yo guys, voice saga. I think it later ginger tea. So yeah. Wig cap. Oh, Murat. Udutsi joang ha oleje. Yeah, the regular wig cap is a little invisible. Let you want to be transparent so because they yeah. Okay, let's start, guys. We are installing together. We are in this together. So with a barking, we kept it too light. So get out of foundation here. It's more I'm no longer using it. So ka gore like week cap ya bontsha like ya bontsha mo weeking go na le week cap ka motlase ka kgetsa galang fela yo I want to see gore ke tlo be ya kae la bona ha ke bua ka bo transparent ke bua ka what gore thaka mo teng ya jumpisa now I get to stop install like la pele I'm tired. You take your glamour spray, you're gonna put as many layers as you can. I would say 3, 4, 5 layers. What has wait what like what brush I was supposed to brush my hair curl. Make sure that your hair is pulled back. You take your hair dry on cool air. You blow this so that it can dry up. It's dripping now. That's all right. Then secondly, what hair? What push it up what hair?
So second lune, what hair? Oh, very stubborn. So make sure that you pull the hair back. Then you take your what? Your hair dry. Fella, yeah, look guys, as many layers as you can. Then glue it over takey and then
50 layers later, I think 5, something like that, and then I put a bit of bold hold from Shein. From Shein, and then my fear is this weave. We are going to go to weave ish. Now, transfer to pum like I can say. Miracle much. Talent. Eh, honey. We 5 earrings on the little trunk. You. I get bad little on the Sinyan. Okay. I hear Libon Yalikan on the what's on the sides. So now I'm just gonna pull it down. Ish, make sure the baby hits it. Because I keep at me it look on this step. Then we are tat. You put it. Yeah, I see her here. You put it down on the glue. You put it also on the side. You put it also on the side. Right? This wig is too big now. And then you put it below. Is it fine? Is it going? Okay, hold on. Okay, it's a bit bigger. Lang tshwara ke ke tshaseditse go tlase lang tshwara ha ke the baby head di tshajara di lasta because why did some kela go tlase then la bona ntse ke buang ka and then you just keep on pulling it sound and sound and sound and down. Why am I so sticky out? So, Minana is sticky. Laibon. Ish. More later drama. More katamo. Because what the hell is this? Yes. Labo. Okay. Keep stay a bit. But it's fine. Leave it this side. The baby heads, guys. The yes. Laibon. You see the vision. This side we're gonna cut it. You see the vision. And then you take this at the back. Komurago. Way both. Because now I do simply because I have both here. If I had a gave of you so get why you tie it, guys, to the gods. To the gods' name. I don't think it's tight enough, but yeah, we'll work on it after. Labon. Then slowly but surely, let me use this. You put it down, put it low. Modlu. Why don't cut? I'm gonna cut it literally because I want to see her next. Oh, yeah, Maritlabon. Laibona Tabael. Then you keep on plastering it. You keep on plastering. We be mofati mo, and then the lunya na di mola bona dlum re tlo go itshumula before re beya lace belts, melting belt, because if you put melting belt on top of the glue, it tlo go ntsha di what na ibona taba you. Yes, so yeah, I think we're just gonna cut. Ke tlo cut wiki haila why customize. You have every right. Do I need to cut it? You have every right to cut it. I get it, huh? How you call it the oop? It's yours. So you have every right. No, I'm not going to cut it, Kiesh. You have every right to cut it because it's yours. Allow like you, man. Yes. So that means you are customizing it. Okay, I'm not gonna cut it. Take a decision now. Get a cut. I get so okay, cut it. I cut it a bit and then before we go far. Lebona iduts Galerato. Guys, how about use a spool? Use a spoolie. It makes the job easier. So I'm gonna take a dryer, get it like a glue. I'll open up the white with the glue before I remove it. So I bought these wipes, Johnson micellar wipes, so I'm gonna use them now, like to remove this. Rubbing alcohol. What's happening here? Makeup. I'm only gonna be using one. It smells so nice. I'm only gonna be using one because they're too and I did 25. That's who essence as a fedile. Rubbing alcohol or sanitizer, then you use it to take out the glue here. Mobile film. Good. So for it to dry out, so I want everything to be dry before I use a belt. But let me put a bit of glue. One thing about wiki emborelo I rata go lift man. So it's too big for my head. So it lifts here and there. Until you are dying. You are meeting the gods. Then you take it out. Like, I really do appreciate my subscribers. Like, I really do appreciate my subscribers, my Instagram lovers, my friends, Instagram friends, guys. The subscribers, the lady Instagram lady friends, guys. Like, can you imagine that? This other girl, like, her and I were always talking. Table. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but yeah, I'll show you guys her profile. Like, that girl, like, guys, she supports me so much, like, so much. Like, shout out to her. As you guys can see that we have a new intro. It's because of her. She did an intro for me. I was playing around. I did this. I was like, yeah, what? Like, yo, but okay. Always when I post, she's watching my videos, she's liking, she's commenting. She is my day one. Like, literally, when I say my day ones, she is my day one. Like, I love that girl so much. Like, I would like kind of get like, cause we vibe on Instagram. Just that she's not in Gauteng. She's not in GP, guys. I think she's in Blom or something like that, but she's somewhere in the Free State, I believe. Because why? Like, yo, guys, I really want to see her. Like, literally, I want to go out for lunch with her. Just that. But guys, once I reach 20k followers, like, it will change. So I delay the procedure because I guess it's 20k. I didn't intro. I'm like, what, girl? What? You did that for me? Yo, guys, like, cute. Like, if I want go back. And then, yeah, she sent it ka email. Like, whoa, but guys, I really do appreciate you guys so much. Like, I really do appreciate my subscribers so much. Like, we are family, guys. Like, she says she wants to see me monetize because I put in the effort to vlog. Like, I'm consistent. Yo, but I keep talking get what, but I'm trying to get nyona. But yeah, guys, like, let's know, like, a point where I was demotivated, but like now, back to posting 2 times a week. I'm gonna participate in Vlogtober. So later Vlogtober, I got 3 videos per week. So yeah, just want to see my audience growing, man. Like, that means a lot to me. But it's been 3 minutes. I just wanted to thank my girl Tebo, something like that. But yeah, along those lines, like, I really did want to thank her over the video, and you guys thank her there by the comments. She did a great job. Like, she literally went to my Instagram too. I'm go paselo. Will Instagram at the picture taga, at the video taga, at the I did a more video in one. Get a girl, what? Hi, thank you. Don't do me like that. But yeah, I love her so much, guys. I love her so much. Like I said, we get along. Just that she's far. But I would like to meet her one day. Definitely, she's gonna watch this video. Like, I love you, girl. I love you so much. Like, no one has ever done that for me. Literally. I don't know how I feel about it. But it's a bit cute, but I don't love it. But yes, guys, that's all I wanted to say. Let's finish up here and do our lashes. It's past 3 and I with you guys. So, but then it's not a train smash, guys. Let me finish here. Ngifila zizi. So, kim sitsa side party libon. I just need to woo. Jesus, man. Labo, khware mone go sa oma sentle. That's why khona le ntho e white. Then more go omile. Labona, guys, that's how we install a wig. So no kenya ko lokisa side padding and kenya ka ibe lebu this. I don't know. Ufuna kwenza ngomthelo. Ay, ngomthelo. Ukibela phansi kompeto ubize malume bathi yebo lapho ufuna kusibamsomto ngijimisile nomni khali no maseke ngithi bosa la wena ke ngizokhombisa amabhen ngithi amakhaya maningi una kalira yo mal. Let me finish, but let me do the edges to fit. Yo, guys, I don't know what's happening here, but I'm drinking hot water with lemon right now because I complain. Ready to something at least. So no, yeah, no, we so, but that I will do as long as you look le bona ke go install line patron staying things la bona ke dirile di edge so big so dark, and then week laid it's saying to go dlala laid. So I want to close it off here, this vlog, because no, you don't look and I gave the introduction, so you look at the introduction. So you don't look so get a ibe get albonta little bonamo thumbnailing or get to be a photo at them. But yeah, I just wanted to close off this vlog. So today it was just a spend a day with me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this few hours that you spend with me. I don't say anything much, but rezamile. Even though that we are sick, but we are showing up. So thank you for tuning in, guys. I love you guys so much. Please leave me hearts, anything to show that you watch this vlog. And shout out to Tebo for doing a new introduction for us, for this channel, right? Yes, sorry. So yeah, I will see you guys. I will see you guys on the next upload. I love you so much, guys. Please don't forget to comment, to subscribe, and like this video.